Maintaining an active lifestyle is a key component to preserving your health and wellness. Our ability to stay comfortable while mobile is essential to our quality of life. We become accustomed to many types of footwear, but one of the things most often overlooked is what you come in direct contact with. Introducing Rev Socks, a revolution in active footwear technology. Rev is an ultra-soft cotton sock with pure silver fibers, air weave cushion, an anti-slip grip, and an advanced form-fitting matrix. The problem with traditional socks is that they quickly become damp from perspiration. According to the National Health Service, warm, dark, and moist places are a breeding ground for bacteria and fungus to thrive. Contact with these pathogens often leads to skin injuries and serious contagious infections such as athlete's foot. We engineered an everyday sock to outperform all other socks. Rev's ultra-soft cotton quickly wicks away moisture so that you stay warm and dry. The custom Max Breathe weave provides an ultra-light feel. Strategically placed pure silver fibers actively eliminates germs and odor. The air weave cushion reduces friction to help prevent blisters. The silicone anti-slip grip helps to minimize movement, and the advanced form-fitting matrix eliminates sagging for a custom, tailored feel. We've partnered with Silicon Valley, California tech companies who have perfected the silver technology. Most other silver products only infuse silver ions. Silver ions can easily be washed away. Rev Socks pushes nanotechnology a step further, where the entire fiber is coated with silver on a micron scale, resulting in silver distribution 100 times better than nanotech for unmatched antibacterial performance. Silver has been used by NASA, US Special Forces, and Olympic athletes. When silver comes in contact with virus, fungi, bacterium, silver performs their deadly work. They bind to essential cell components like DNA, neutralizing their harmful effects. Rev Socks can be washed 5 times less frequently than regular cotton socks, allowing you to pack less and travel lighter. Rev Socks feels better, smells better, and provides an active germ-fighting defense system for the ultimate activewear performance. Whether you're a competitive athlete or simply cozying up indoor, Rev Socks is ideal for every situation.
Our mission is to deliver better solutions through science and technology. We've engineered one of the most advanced combination of textiles. We're now ready for manufacturing. We hope that you'll join us to revolutionize the future of activewear.